Alright, Harmony Science Academy students, Honors Geometry, welcome back to the next lesson here. Again, pencil, notebook, Chromebook, fundamental. Zig Ziglar saying, when something goes wrong, bad grade happens. Don't point the finger, don't look outward, look inside you. What could you have done? Okay, could you have cracked the book? Can you have done some homework? Okay, always look to you, don't look outward. As far as vocabulary for you guys, go ahead and pause the video here and get on Google and look up the definition for line, segment, and length. Okay, that'll apply to today's section. And once you guys have that done, you'll come to the title, which is line, segment, lengths, and you'll have the objective, find the length indicated. Okay. Again, this is geometry. It's pretty simple stuff. The whole point is for you guys to start getting used to the system, and we can get those grades up and get you guys feeling good, okay, getting good grades. So this is kind of what you're going to be looking at, all right, besides some review problems, okay, from the days that we worked on algebra review, okay, but some of this new stuff is going to look like this. Now, these simpler looking problems will prepare you for these, if in case you struggle. So let's go ahead and do two of them. Okay, I'm going to do one from this set and then one from this set. Okay. So it says find EF. EF runs from here to there, right? This is unknown EF. Alright. So what do we do here? Well, we know that DE plus EF plus FG, okay, will equal what? DG. So let's go and substitute. We've got DE is 5, and every time you substitute in every math class you want to put in parentheses, it'll hook you up. It looks good, and it'll actually keep you from making mistakes a lot of times. Okay. EF we don't know, plus FG is 10. I just substitute it, equals DG, which is 24. Alright, so now I have EF plus 15 equals 24. And if I subtract 15 to both sides, I have EF equals to 9. Alright, so they wanted EF. We can put a 9 there. Scratch that off. Okay? Alright. Hopefully that was pretty simple, straightforward. You'll be doing a couple of those. And then next you will be doing some that look like this. Okay? Which is pretty much the same thing. You'll be told, very important, that points A, B, C, and D are collinear. Right? And position in that order. Find the length indicated. So, again, collinear, right? So these are all points on the same line and they're positioned in that order, A, B, C, and D. So let's go ahead and just, to avoid mistakes, let's go ahead and get a line going here. Okay. And we can divide it up as A, B, C, and D. Okay. Alright. Let's put a little dot over each one of these bad boys. Okay. So we know that A plus B, B plus C, C plus D will equal AD. Okay, so that's good to know. They want CD. What is CD? Okay. So let's go ahead and just start plugging in here. So we know that A plus B plus B plus C plus C D equals AD. And here's CD, what do we want to know? So let's go ahead and see what we can plug in here. Okay. AB is 11x minus 765. plus, I guess I can scratch it off since there's so much going on here. BC is 46. CD is unknown. Actually, sorry, they give us CD. Okay, plus CD. Whoops. Plus. So they want the exact value, okay? Not the algebraic expression. So CD is 5x minus 281. We use that. And AD is 11x minus 630. Alright, so let's go ahead and combine like terms here. What do we have? On this side we have 11x minus 7 what's that, 19? So I've combined. Okay, I should have included this 5x in here. Okay, so let me squeeze it in here. So him with him, been done. This should come from here. And then I forgot him, and don't want to do too much too fast. Okay, so now let's go ahead and subtract 11x. So now I have 5x. Okay, I'm going to combine these two, which is minus equals. Okay. Next from here, I'm going to pause the video. You let me know how do we proceed from here. Alright, if you're thinking, combine these two, you were right. Okay. Now something. Okay. So this right here is 630. I made a silly mistake, so let me put the 0 in. Alright. Let's see here. So I copied it wrong. Luckily I got the mistake, so now let's go ahead and combine that. So I got 5x. And I'm going to add 1,000 to both sides, which leaves me 370. Okay, and then five goes into 37 7 times, 20 is left over, so 74. So this is a very important value. Now, of course, I could be done, but it all depends what did they want. They want CD, okay? They want CD. So CD, this was just a little more sophisticated. CD was 5x minus 281. Okay. We're going to substitute and use those beautiful parentheses. I like to do that to my 7 so it doesn't look like a 1 or something later. Okay, so here we have 5 times this, which is 35, 20, minus 281, which equals, when you have these, nothing wrong with doing some scratch work. 281. Okay, so I'm going to need to borrow from him, so he's a 6. That's a 9. Can't do that, need to borrow from him. He's a 2. 16, 8. And that cancels, so 89. CD. And then since I have that box, then I can put a little one of these here. Okay. Alright, and then after we do some of these, you guys will do some review problems from algebra, so you guys can really lock in your math skills moving forward. Okay. Appreciate your time. Catch you in class, guys.